What's going on, guys? Monty tuning in with another video today. So I'm making this video because I want you guys to know that it's very easy nowadays to make money on TikTok. Above that, I have TikTok accounts that are ready to go right now. As in, you could take over this account and you can start selling products on TikTok affiliate and start making money right now. And the thing is, I only have a limited number of accounts. So, it's really going to be a first come, first serve basis. But I have a few TikTok accounts that are already set up to start selling on TikTok affiliate. So if you want to start making passive income from your house, if you want to, not have to rely on a job, if you want to find an easy way to pay your bills, TikTok is the easiest way for you to make money without ever having to leave your house. Every day, I have 20 plus companies reach out to me and try and give me their product for free. Like, literally, I just looked at my messages and there was this one company. They were like, I'll give you $30 to take my product, and then I'll give you another $30 to make a couple videos with it. So I'm getting $60 plus a free $45 product. And these are not like bummy products. These are actually trending products. Like, the product that I'm actually talking about is this trending sleeper pillow. And it's this cool new sleeper pillow that, it just has like new technology, bro. Like, it's a foam pillow. And all I'm trying to say, guys, is that I get cool things on a day-to-day basis from companies, and I get them for free. I'm stocking out my house right now with so many cool products. We got solar lights coming in. I got knee pads for my doing squats because my knees are getting bad. Like, I have vitamins. I have so many items that just come to my house on a day-to-day basis, and I get them all for free. And it's not stopping. I got LED lights for my room. I have so many items, and I get them all for free. And this is like amazing. Like, you don't have to shop anymore. Like, I'm getting products for free. I'm getting clothes. You guys saw my last video. I got a hoodie. I get t-shirts. If you're a girl, leggings, makeup. Guys, you name it, it's on TikTok. And it's either now or never. Like, people are like, oh, I talk to people all the time. They're like, oh, I have to get on TikTok, blah, blah, blah. But time is ticking. 248, 249, 250, time is ticking, guys. So I have a few accounts that are ready to go right now. And if you're someone that wants to start selling products on TikTok today, and the thing is, you don't have to buy them. You could be products that are just laying around your house. You just find it on TikTok, reach out to the company, or you could just order a trending TikTok product, have it come in, make a couple videos. Money just starts raining from the sky every single day. Not just one day, not just for 2 days, but I'm getting $100 plus a day from a video I made 3 weeks ago. I made $186 yesterday off of a video that I posted 3+ weeks ago. And I haven't said one lie since I started this video, guys. And I'm also just really trying to create an opportunity for you guys. Obviously, I get paid from it too, or else I wouldn't be here. But that's what makes me, I would be here because I like to teach people, but that's what makes me here anyway. That's what gives me like a greater motivation. It's like, I get help by helping you guys, So you help me, I'll help you. And there's no reason why anyone watching this video can't make 50 grand by December off a TikTok shop alone. Now, I'm making money off of TikTok multiple ways. Not only am I selling products, spoiler alert, not only am I making videos of other companies' products, but I'm also selling. I have my own TikTok shop, my TikTok store, and I sell products every day. This morning I had a sale. So I'm making money from multiple ways off of TikTok, and you guys can do it too. And if you want additional help, you can just join my Discord, and there I will teach you personally. You can speak with me, and I will, give you information that you really need to answer the question that you might have. Or you can just reach out to me and we can schedule a consultation. But Guys, the money is here, and it's really all up to you at this point. You know, I'm creating the bridge for you guys to walk across, because it's a great life when you don't have to rely on anyone for money. It's a great life when you know the money's coming in, regardless of if you get out of bed or not. Like, I can lay in bed for an entire day now. I'm not a lazy person. I've never been a lazy person, and that should be obvious, but I can lay in bed for an entire day and make $200. And that's a great feeling, because I can do that 7 days a week. But I'm still working hard every single day because I have goals. I want to be a millionaire by the end of this year. And that's far-fetched, but it doesn't matter. Shoot for the stars, miss low. So guys, this video is to you. Just letting you know, I have TikTok accounts available that you can start making content on and literally partner with companies same day. If you're ready to start making this money on TikTok, reach out to me. I'm here. And that's what I'm about to go do. I'm about to go make some videos, and we're just going to keep on evolving, because that's what we're here to do. We're not here to stay stagnant. We're here to chase our dreams and become better and better every single day. So with that being said, family, I'm signing out. I'm about to go make some videos and hopefully make some bread from those videos, because I'm getting better and better as I go. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. But stay up, stay blessed. Monty signing out. And guys, hop on this TikTok wave, because it is not going anywhere. TikTok is never going to get banned. TikTok is going to be here for as long as I live. All right. And that's something that's great for me, because I don't have to worry about like, oh, what happens if TikTok, I don't need to rely on another source of income. I'm farming TikTok like there's no other, because I don't need to focus on anything else. Like, I can focus on this, I can focus on that, but time is limited. There's only 24 hours in a day, and I'm going to do the things that are efficient for me. And TikTok is really what it is for me and for a lot of other people. So guys, if you're ready to make money on TikTok, hit me up for an account. My email is going to be in this video at the bottom. Just check the description, email me, reach out, and we can get you running on TikTok today. You can start making money on TikTok today, and that should be exciting for a lot of people, because a lot of people are really struggling, and they're like, oh, I still need to get 4,000 followers, 3,000 followers. Reach out to me. I already have the account waiting for you to take over. Now, with that being said, peace out, stay up, stay blessed, and let's get this TikTok money, because it's better than any other kind of money. All right. And it's tax-free. And I make deposits to my bank account every single day if I want to. Yesterday, that 186 that I made from my one product, that's going into my bank account right now. It takes about 1 to 3 days to transfer, but either way, I make deposits to my bank account every single day off of TikTok. So the money's out there, guys. You just have to have the drive and the ambition, and you can do the same exact thing I'm doing, down to the YouTube page, helping others to find ways to make money for themselves. Yeah. All right, y'all. Peace out. I hope this video was informative to some of you guys. And, I try to make great thumbnails. I have the freedom to spend all the time I want, but time is money, and I'm signing out. So with that being said, stay up, stay blessed. Peace out, y'all. Monty.